I'm just gonna kind of stretch you a little like that. There we go.
Oh, so that got the vertebrae just below the closest point of the shoulder blade, down about 2 ribs more and into my lower back. And then I felt the electrical impulse through my left knee down to my foot. Also got the suture in my head.
Hang in there, good.
Lit off right in the center of my head, out to both ears, down my back, and got that vertebrae in my upper back you were trying to get. Like I said, it just lit off everything in my head.